Hello everybody, my name is Donovan and today I'm going to teach you how to upload your very first YouTube video. But before we hop into that, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications for future uploads so you don't miss videos just like this. Let's get into it. So you're a new YouTube content creator and you want to create content. How do you do it? All you need is a camera. But more advanced YouTubers, I have a light kit and also audio going. You don't need these things. These are all superficial things. But if you want to create next level better content, I'd suggest the 3 minimum things you get are lighting, a camera, and audio. Once you have these 3 things, you simply take all of the footage you capture into your editing software and you cut together your first video. Once your video is cut together, you then go to YouTube, you hit upload after you've exported your file, and then you can create all of the custom details for your content. Description, title, custom thumbnail, and tags to help people find your content. Once you've done that, you simply upload and then it will start processing and your video is live. People can watch it, share it, and hopefully you grow to be a successful YouTuber. If you find this stuff helpful, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Share my videos to other people that you think would find it interesting, and leave your comments below on any suggestions or tutorials you'd like me to upload. Thanks for watching and be sure to have a wonderful day.